Unemployment has currently become a trend, not by choice, but because of the turn of economic events in the world. Living without a job is a horror to imagine, especially with the now high cost of living. The common excuse people usually give is lack of capital. But you really don't need to have a huge sum of money to become your own boss. The good news is that there are many jobs that require little or zero capital, but pay well, enough to foot your bills, and have some savings. In this video, we will highlight few of those jobs. Lest I forget, kindly subscribe to our channel, like this video, and hit the notification button, so you would get updates of new and fresh didactic videos. 1. Website designing and development. You don't need money to start earning as a web designer. The world has gone digital, and web development is one of the highest paying jobs globally. All you really need for this is a few coding skills, a good eye and practice. The few hours you spend on idle chat can be put to use on free online web design courses and constant practice. You can also learn how to design websites using content management systems like WordPress. Once you acquire these skills, inform your friends, advertise on social media and see some good bucks flow into your pocket. You can also make loads of money working as a freelance web designer on Upwork, Fiverr and other freelance marketplaces. 2. Laundry service and dry cleaning service. You don't need money to kickstart a laundry and dry cleaning business. You can launch this business without owning a shop. Simply visit people around you, get their clothes, wash, iron and deliver to them, at their homes or offices. You can begin by talking to people in your church, mosque or neighborhood. Pick up their clothes, deliver their clothes on time, ensure a clean and tidy ironing and watch how you will attract more customers to yourself. 3. Baby tender. Yes, it really is just a business name for nanny or babysitter. There are so many women in need of baby tenders, you'd be surprised. Women who need to work, and have to put in hours at a time, need someone to fend for their kids, and are willing to pay well. You don't need to wait for a notice, you can walk up to any nursing mother and offer your services. 4. E-commerce and affiliate marketing. This is another business that does not require capital. I know you'll be thinking that you need money to buy your goods. Right, but here's the gist. You don't necessarily need to buy goods. Simply work into shops, tell the owner that you want to help them sell their products, while you earn a certain percentage from each sales. With this, you can take pictures of the products, merchandise or take to your social handles, advertise, sell and earn from it. By affiliate marketing, it simply means helping companies to sell their products, then you earn a certain percentage from each product you sell. This can be done online or offline. On the social media, the company will give you an affiliate or referral code. You will earn once a customer buys through your referral code. If you own a big blog or high-traffic social media channel, you can be making millions every day through affiliate marketing. 5. Private and online tutorial service. This is another business you can start without any capital. If you have the ability to teach people, and they find it easy to understand you, then you should give it a try. People mostly focus on young students for this. But there are adults that need private tutorials. It can either be online or offline. If you have a degree and you're excellent in English language, mathematics, physics or other science subjects, then you will easily find clients who are willing to pay good money. For offline services, simply print your flyers and paste on strategic places in your town. Include your contact details, and you'll see the calls and mails coming in like rain. For online, there are several websites where you can register as online tutor and earn lots of money daily. You can also publicize your flyer on your social media channels. Make sure you pick a subject you can really handle. 6. Real estate agent. If you have great communication skills and know how to build strong networks, then real estate is yours for the taking. All it really takes is to keep your ears and eyes open, your feet on the ready, and to be as persuasive and convincing as possible. Know what is available and how much, know who wants to buy, and how much he is willing to buy, and become a mediator between the two. You can take online classes to better harness your skills. 7. Freelance writing. Gone are the days when writers were looked down on for being lazy. Many blogs are looking for writers and they pay real well. Freelance writing affords you the opportunity to make money even from your home. Hone your writing skills and make money from it. Content is the king of the cyberspace, so as a freelance writer, you would never run out of jobs. You can venture into copywriting, content writing, research writing, blog writing, ghost writing, resume writing services, etc. You can showcase your services on your website or social platforms, and you can earn millions by working as a freelance writer on Fiverr, Upwork, People Per Hour, and thousands of other freelance marketplaces. 8. Blogging. Blogging gets more and more lucrative each day. Almost everyone has a reason to visit the internet today. Find out which subject you can blog about, that will generate the most traffic, and attract sponsors. Learn about blogging, and how to make money from it, and you're in a really lucrative business. As a blogger, you have the liberty to work from home while earning monthly from AdSense, and other customized ads. 9. Editing videos for YouTube channels. Video editing is another digital skill that you should learn. As a video editor, you can earn huge amounts, working as video editor for YouTubers. You can also work in freelance marketplaces, and you can also earn as a video content creator for news and media companies. You earn also by creating promotional videos for businesses. You can scale through the hurdles by undertaking free video editing classes on the internet. Good enough, some mobile apps can now serve you a great deal. 10. Selling your knowledge through ebooks. Everyone wants to learn something new, and you can easily earn huge figures by packaging your knowledge in ebooks and white papers. If you're knowledgeable about a particular trending skill, then you can write ebooks and sell them via the social media. The social media is a large market where you can make your sales to all and sundry across the globe. Imagine selling an ebook of 1,000 naira each to 1,000 people. That's really a fat amount, right? Of course, all these can earn you loads of money without capital. All it requires is your focus. Thanks for watching this video. Kindly drop your comments, questions and queries in the comment box. See you again for another didactic session, but don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the notification button, like this video and share it with friends. Goodbye.